Mm-hmm.
But we moved back here,
Yep.
and he came back here with me.
Yep.
And I got the call that his security clearance went through, because it's kind of the same thing that Tori is doing.
Mm.
And so I was like, yeah, go. Because I decided to come back and go to school.
Mm.
And he left. And that was it.
And then you just raised your daughter.
Yeah. Me and Leilana stayed here. And then I decided to go back, just me and her, for her to have a relationship with the father. Which worked until COVID hit. And then the whole island just shut down. There was no childcare, no preschools. All the schools were shut down, which meant I couldn't go to work because she was only 2.5. So at that point, I called my parents and I was like, I don't know what to do. My fucking roommate just like up and left.
Oh, okay.
Now I'm paying for his portion of the rent. And
Oh my god.
I'm gonna run out of my
Bank account.
Yeah, my emergency fund was running out because I was paying $2,400 a month just for fucking rent.
Oh.
That's a lot of money. That doesn't even include all my utilities, my car payment, food for Leilana. I was like, I'm gonna run out of money, Dad.
Yeah.
So